We've come down to the warehouse today to replace some weatherproof fittings with JCC's new 4-foot ToughLED Pro.
JCC have actually gone to the extent of thinking about the installer of the actual product. You've got flexibility of putting in emergency packs, sensors, all in one product. Along with the lights with the clips and the adjustment on the brackets, it just makes your job that little bit easier.
Today with these lights we installed the surface mount bracket with the conduit entry on the end. With the new fixing mounts for JCC, it's really simple to put them up. JCC have developed an area on the base where you can slide a certain distance left and right. The clips are really handy with the diffusers, so they will spring up and stay out of the way when tucking in your cables. This makes the install really easy. The light is multifunctional. You can put a sensor in, emergency pack in, or both as you wish, or run it as a standard. Every cable is labelled and every cable is lengthened to size, so there's no way of getting any cable crossed over with others. So another feature JCC have included is the terminal block is actually movable inside the fitting. There's no need for lengthening cables. You can unclip it and place it anywhere in the base of the fitting. There's also a couple of features inside the actual fitting where you can hook your cables in, again to keep them out of the way. JCC have worked alongside electricians and thought about the installer with this fitting. It saves a lot of time, especially if it's a like-for-like replacement.
We've installed 5 lights today in relatively good time. They've just gone up really smoothly, like-for-like swaps, so it's been good.